The question is brought up that these may be fake balls, but I'm going to conclude here that actually even trick balls will roll downwards under normal conditions. See, this is downward sloped in the direction of the camera. We can see this. These balls are always rolling downwards on the book, the downwards direction. They're never rolling towards the top of the book under normal conditions. We can adjust the balls any way we want, and the direction normally is always downwards. That's pretty well observed there. And now we can see that if we place the ball on the Escher machine, the motion is actually tends to be upward directed in a lot of different positions. Now we can see with the Escher machine, if we place the balls in about their path of motion, we can see that the slope is actually upwards directed, as you can see. So obviously the Escher machine must be somewhat of a different condition than the normal upward slope situations. So that's something to keep in mind when observing Nathan Kopch's Escher machine. Thanks.